guys, and welcome to another episode. Today we'll be looking at CSS Attribute Selectors. So on my screen you see have an input box here. This will enter your name and a required attribute. So here it's on my browser. So let's find a way of styling those using attribute selectors. So first we're gonna call our input a square bracket, then inside you type required. So these styles all input was with a required attribute. So let's say border. This is a border of 2 pixels, solid blue. Alright, so right on my screen you see it's changed. So let's try changing it to red, and it also changed. This is how so let's look at the next one, which is elements exact match. So I'm using the A tag and I'm giving it a ref of say hash and a target of underscore blank. Let's see example. Right, so let's break this one. So starting this one to use the same approach. First time I'm going to call the A first, and inside type target. Those are the exact match, just think that equal to. Inside we type underscore blank. All styles in the anchor tags, all elements in anchor tags with the target of underscore blank will have, so let's say color. So it's initially blue, so let's change it to something like a red. So much it is in red. Then let's use a text decoration of man, and the line disappears. This is how we style using exact match. So we see target equals. So if the target is equal to underscore blank, the style of it is applied to it. So let's go at the next one, which is ends with. If I am supposed to use image, so let's leave that one aside. We'll continue later on. So let's go with the one that starts with. So this one we're using the anchor tag, but this time around using HTTPS for 2// and let's say go dot. Then here we type go dot. Sorry, go just go. So we can also break this one over here. So bring the go down. Okay. So we're starting the one that starts with. So in our index, this is also an anchor tag. So inside you type, so it's a ref. This one. So we make a $sign. Sorry, a caret before an equal to. Then you bring in your HTTPS. So this style all anchor tag with a ref starting with HTTPS. It doesn't matter whether it's a Google, Facebook, or whatever. So far as it's starting with HTTPS, the style will be applied. So let's apply some style here and see how it works. So look at my screen now. It's Google in a blue with underline. So let's say text decoration and take it none. And you see the line under it is gone. So let's give it, let's give it a display of flex, then give it text align center, then testify content, so we give it center, and it moves to the middle side of our screen. Give it, let's say, color, let's say black. So you can use it as black. So it changes to black. Attribute selectors is used to style elements without giving them classes. So I'll end the but I've got to add image one. So we'll do the image one in another video. So thank you for your time and have a great day.